Hello YouTube, this is a quick unboxing of the JOTO cable management sleeves. Not much of an unboxing, come in a simple clear plastic bag. Mostly bought them because I have terrible cable management on my computer right now. And I'm trying to get them more organized. Bunches held together by a couple of zip ties. Plus a pack of 4. So these just loop around. Well, it should be a simple zipper. Why doesn't it want to fit? There it goes. How big is that? Its overall internal diameter is approximately a little over an inch, so you can get a good amount of cables in there probably. Said 4 of them. They feel fine. Yeah, because the main test will be, does it help cable management? Thank you for watching.